Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel Books and Beyond with Hrishabh. Today I'm going to do the most easiest recipe in the world. That is chocolate peanut butter. So let's get started. So first I'm going to tell you the ingredients of this recipe. So first you have to take 1 cup roasted peanuts and it is roughly peeled, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of jaggery and a pinch of salt and 2 to 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil. So let's all put this in the mixer. First I'll put the whole butter. Now I'll put 2 tablespoons. Okay. I'll put 2 tablespoons jaggery. Okay. Then just a pinch of salt. And 3 teaspoons vegetable oil. And that's it. Let's go and grind it now. So let's go. So now it's ready, guys. You can see this. This is yummy and delicious. Now you can taste the peanut butter, and if it is less sweet, you can add more jaggery. And if it is more thick, you can also add a little vegetable oil. You can have this with bread or roti. I hope you will enjoy the recipe of my peanut butter, and I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.